What's up, y'all? It's Poppin' This D, boss here, X of this vid. This is Johnny Depp being hilarious in court. This is part 2. Well, this is actually part 4. It's the most recent one, but this is part 2 that I've done. So yeah, we're going to do another part. I want to see what other shenanigans are taking place in this courtroom. Let's watch. What? What? Not people outside cheering. I cannot.
Describe
This is
the look
ghetto.
on his face when you believe it registered that you're standing here with alpacas.
He just looks surprised and kind of happy as he was driving by.
Yeah.
I charge for my time.
Yeah,
And it's the same time.
You answer my question, sir. In fact, you charge $710 an hour for your time, don't you?
Counsel, if you let me complete my answer, I'll
No,
be happy to respond.
Sir, please try to stick to the question that I'm asking.
Oh.
You've had your chance to go well beyond the question being asked, but if you could just please stick to the question I'm asking, you would go a lot faster.
Oh, he
I
rude.
think your microphone was on there. It's not really badgering, not a
Thank you.
rejection, but that's all right. So just if you could answer the question that's asked. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I
Let me start over, sir. You charge Mr. Depp $710 an hour.
I'm told that the payments in the future have to go
Objection.
directly to
This
her.
is clear hearsay. He's not answering the question. I would ask for you to instruct him to answer the question and not expound on his.
I'll sustain this till you say next question.
What role did you play with respect to the payments ultimately made?
And in fact, you're being paid for the time that you're sitting on that witness stand today, aren't you?
No,
Your main contact with Mr. Depp and his companies is his sister, Kristen Dombrowski, correct?
no,
One of your colleagues maintains active communication
You just
with
moving
Kristen
on?
Dombrowski, correct?
No.
could you ask the question again, Counselor?
One of your colleagues maintains active communication with Kristen Dombrowski, correct?
No,
He just walked
Can you turn to
away.
page 116 of your deposition transcript?
certainly.
Did I read that right?
Yes, but you need to
That
find,
was
you
my
need to find
question,
the
just if
term.
I read that right, sir. Now, part of the services that you provide, that your firm provides. to
Why
Mr.
he so
Depp,
disrespectful?
Mr. Depp owed significant amount of money to the Bank of California at that time, correct?
No,
In layman's terms that I can understand, because I don't speak all the kind of business school terms that you speak. He didn't have enough money at the time, correct? He was spending more than he was bringing in, correct?
No.
That news that he was given that night was catastrophic, wasn't it?
no,
Question, now Mr. Depp was given some catastrophic news about his
He
business.
said no.
That is correct. Did I read that right?
you did, but remember,
That was just my
I get a
question.
chance
You
to
answered my
respond.
question, sir. You answered
I
my
did not
question.
define that
Sir,
term.
you'll have a chance. The attorney will get back up and redirect you. Okay, so we just answering his question. That's fine.
Now, you, at this meeting, you had a discussion about his financial affairs and a necessity to formulate a revised business strategy and plan, correct?
Yes,
And you talked about the following financial information. You talked about his taxes. He hadn't paid taxes in years, correct?
no, that's not correct. That he had not paid any taxes in years is not correct.
But I just would like to move these into evidence. I don't plan to publish them or anything at this point.
He said it wasn't correct. What the fuck?
You understood that Mr. Depp showed up hours late for work on Pirate's File, correct?
That is not correct.
What does God do with anything?
Just
She's
asking
going
if
to
that's what you
contribute
wrote. I'm just asking if that's what
$3,500,000
you
to
wrote, sir.
You've asked me a question, I'm trying to respond.
No, I was actually just asking if that's what you wrote.
It's my understanding she was going to contribute the money. and that's
Okay, sir,
consistent with
I
my
just
response.
asked if that's what you wrote. I think you've answered that. Can we please pull up exhibit
Yikes.
1596? I understand that you you want to speak your own narrative here, but my question was simply that this letter says that this check represents the first of multiple scheduled installments to honor the full amount of Miss Heard's $3.5 million pledge gift.
Like people are
Correct?
mistired.
We could both read the letter. The answer is yes.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon.
And would you please state your full name for the record?
Malcolm Connolly.
And Mr. Connolly, where are you
So many
testifying
moving parts to
from?
this fucking case. Jesus.
From home, Essex, UK.
Hey.
And where do you live?
I live in
Essex, UK.
Objection, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, hold on, Mr. Conley.
How long is this case gonna go on, child?
I think Jack Sparrow's more drunk than Johnny Depp.
So that's marijuana. What
Who's
about
Jack
alcohol?
Sparrow?
Same
I've
question.
heard that name.
And then you saw him, then you went
So
in the
all
house and saw
niggas
Mr.
drunk.
Depp in the foyer, correct?
Yes, correct.
And Mr. Depp was trying to urinate in the foyer, wasn't he?
No.
Mr. Depp had his penis out of his
Oh, that was a
Objection.
character. Wait, what? Who dick out?
Let's-
Hold on.
Marijuana. What about alcohol? Same question.
And then you saw him, then you went in the house and saw Mr. Depp in the foyer, correct?
Yes, correct.
And Mr. Depp was trying to urinate in the foyer, wasn't he?
No.
Mr. Depp had his penis out of his
Objection.
pants, didn't he?
I think I would remember.
Relevance.
What?
Next question.
And you were trying to get Mr. Depp out of the house, correct?
He said no. Where he getting this information?
And
Oh, he
Mr.
said
Depp
yeah.
was refusing to leave the house, was he not?
Not so much refused, he just wanted 2 minutes to see his piece.
Where the fuck he get that from that he saw his dick? Okay, this is the copyright now. I'm so confused about the peeing in the foyer part. Like, what? You missing?
Thank you.
Oh, boy. That is hilarious. This is the ghetto. I'm really surprised that this is all taking place. That lawyer is so unprofessional and nasty for no reason. Like, chill the fuck out. And then he's leading with all these questions. You saw his dick out. He's like, no, I will remember if I saw his dick. Like, what are you talking about? Where are you getting this information exactly? Is he getting it from the tabloids like last video? I don't know what's going on, but this shit wild. And, you know, I'm getting more and more interested in it as the videos pass. Don't know how long this case is going on, but yeah, it's entertaining so far. So yeah, I guess we'll see more court moments if y'all want. Let me know. But yeah, this was entertaining. Y'all let me know what y'all thought. Let me know what other videos you want to watch, and I'll see y'all on the next one.